On February 1st, the Finance Minister will be presenting the Union Budget for FY26. So we are here in Mumbai, in the financial capital of India, to know the expectations of the Aam Aadmi on Budget FY26. पहले आम आदमी को मिल चुके हैं हम. What are your expectations, sir, from the budget?
वी आर ए सर्विस क्लास, तो सर्विस क्लास में हम लोगों की एक ही इशूज़ है टैक्स देने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. टैक्स हम जो 30% या 33% जो भी हम टैक्स देते हैं, गवर्नमेंट का आधा पैसा तो चला जाता है लोगों को बांटने में. और उसके बाद जो दूसरी प्रॉब्लम होती है ये इलेक्शन की. एक बार जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर किसी भी जगह आते हैं तो कम से कम 50-100 करोड़ रुपए जाता है. तो क्यों नहीं हम ये इलेक्शन एक जगह करें, एक साथ करें, कम से कम वो पैसे गवर्नमेंट के बचेंगे, उस पैसे से गवर्नमेंट हमारा टैक्स कम कर सकते हैं.
I'd expect all tampons and pads to be free of cost as a woman.
They should bring in more tax to corporate governance, corporate NCLT takeovers, and make some necessity daily needs tax-free like milk.
Salaried person, middle class people, they are already paying the taxes, direct taxes, income tax, and plus whatever they spend, they have to pay GST and all that. No doubt this government is doing fantastic. We are very happy. But if something can be considered on that line for the salaried person, for the middle class people, for the startups, for the small businesses, it will be a great help to the public in general.
Currently, government has given little benefits to us in startups, but only in tech field. If someone is doing a food startup, he gets no benefit. If I want to take a loan for myself, we don't get loans. So if a small startup, like you must have seen recently, there was a video which was saying the Pani Puri wala making so much money and he has to pay so much GST. If they give benefits to people like us and vendors like us also in smaller scale, and people can make, in India there is a lot of unorganized food sector which is bringing so much money, but if you make that also in a way where they get funds, they get benefits, then the country will flourish. In GST we don't have, after the 5% GST is coming, we don't get reverse GST benefits. So basically on my loan, on my products, whatever I buy and the rental, there is GST applicable, but reverse mechanism is not there for us. So our costing has gone up by 20%, 18%, whatever the GST is, and we don't get reverse mechanism benefit in restaurant industry.
गवर्नमेंट सही बजट निकालती नहीं मैडम. ऐसा है, लो कैटेगरी का जो है उसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए बजट में. वो जो है हाई लेवल ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होता है, बस लो कैटेगरी का फ़ायदा बजट में नहीं होता है.
Better tourist activities, probably better infrastructure to get around the city. I know the metro is coming, so that would be really awesome to have. Instead of all this traffic, it would be great to take the train everywhere around the city.
The tax amount is such a huge, but the facilities available to the common people are very low. There is a contrast between the taxes that is collected by the central government and the facilities reached to the common public in this means.
The basic exemption limit that is applicable to the individual taxpayer should be increased, because since last 10 years it is almost 2.5 lakhs and there is no increase. So I think that basic exemption limit should be increased for all the individual and HUF taxpayers.
GST कम होना चाहिए, टैक्सेस भी थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए ऑन पब्लिक. बेचारे पब्लिक को कितना टैक्सेस भरना पड़ा है 15%, लेकिन कम होना चाहिए थोड़ा.
बजट से एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत है, बट होता तो कुछ भी नहीं. हम चाहते हैं बाजार ज़रा अच्छा हो, मार्केट में मनी हो, लोगों के पास पैसा है. मिडिल क्लास बेचारा बहुत परेशान है. सबसे ज़्यादा परेशान मिडिल क्लास है. कुछ हाथ में पैसे आने चाहिए तो मार्केट ऊपर आएगा. लोगों के पास पैसा ही नहीं तो खरीदेगा क्या. बजट में ऐसा प्रावधान होना चाहिए कि लोगों के पास डायरेक्ट पैसा जाए, so that they can buy.
I think middle class is suffering most in this economy. उनका बजट थोड़ा जो स्लैब जो है वो बढ़ाना चाहिए. 2.5 से आई थिंक उसको बढ़ा के 8-9 लाख 10 लाख तक ले जाना चाहिए, तो they will be more happier. उनका घर का बजट भी अच्छे से चलेगा फिर.
Income tax for the salaried person should be reduced. That will be a great advantage actually. So as of now it is up to 7 lakhs, there is no tax rate. So once it crosses 7 lakhs, we have to pay from 7 lakh from starting. So that has to be reduced to some extent.
So these were the expectations of the common man of India. And let us know in the comments if you have some expectations. And we hope that this video reaches the Finance Minister. So like, share and subscribe to ET Now's YouTube channel for more such extensive news and coverage on budget. I will see you in the next video. So let me chill a bit.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.